Hello, here comes a step by step guide to show you exactly how easy it is to make a herbal drink or a herbal decoction to treat any kind of respiratory disorders. Here I am going to use some spices and some fresh herbal leaves for this drink. These herbal leaves are sometimes quite bitter, not the tastiest thing in the world, so I thought I could spice it up a little bit. So, in here, I have got some spices, a pinch of jeera seeds to my stone mortar, then a pinch of peppercorns. These mild spices are to improve the taste a bit. Also, in a way, these are going to stimulate, speed up the metabolism with these herbs. Now, let me crush these coarsely using the pestle just to wake them up. This enables the hard outer layer of the spices to break after continuous squashing and pounding, releasing their natural raw oil and fragrance. If you want to prepare this mixture in bulk and use it for your herbal drinks, then you can coarsely grind it using an electric blender. Let me add this to my pan. Then a pinch of palm jaggery to enhance the taste. See, your drink need not taste bland. Let them burst out with flavor and taste so that you enjoy it. Not only for taste, but the palm jaggery generate body heat and aid in treating chronic cough. The throat's soft tissues get relaxation by palm jaggery, which reduces the throat irritation. Pouring in 250 ml of water, around 1 cup. Now I am adding some fresh Karpooravalli leaves, botanically called Coleus amboinicus, around 2 to 3 of them. This is an excellent herb for respiratory infections. Also has antiviral properties that help fight viruses causing cold cough. Then a few tulsi twigs, Ocimum Tenuiflorum. Here I have got two varieties of basil leaves. I am going to go for this Karunthulasi variety. It is also referred to as a holy basil. It has got a dark purplish black color. If you have got this kind, then just go for it as it is more powerful for respiratory tract issues. It is also useful for high fever. Then 4 to 5 tiny Thoothuvalai leaves, Solanum trilobatum. Thoothuvalai is a great gift given to us by our Mother Nature. The leaves, flower, fruit and root all have medicinal benefits. It is widely used for any kind of respiratory disorders like cold, cough, bronchial asthma, sinus, chest congestion in both kids and adults. Then a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric boosts the immunity levels. Its antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties protect us from a variety of infections. We need peppercorns to increase the absorption of turmeric or curcumin into our body, and we have already added that to our mixture. Now let me go ahead with the decoction making. This means to boil, to simmer and get the extracts out of the plant materials. Now I am going to bring this to a boil first. It's boiling. I am going to simmer it and put the lid on. Just let it bubble away there for about 10 to 15 minutes. Our decoction is done now. Just lift the lid off. A nice strong decoction is here. You can see the lovely leaves got infused into the water. A mild green color that I wanted. The next stage, I strain it. Allow the liquid to cool down a little bit. Adding a pinch of salt. I have got some frozen lemon juice, adding a few drops of it. This is loaded with vitamin C and adding this to my herbal drink will reduce nausea. If you are planning to use honey instead of jaggery, then add it during this stage. Always keep this in mind not to add lemon and honey in a piping hot liquid as that may kill the natural enzymes and probiotics in them. Now regarding storage, you can store your decocted herbal drink in the fridge for up to 48 hours at the most. You can store it in a sealed glass container, preferably a dark glass jar. This prevents the light from penetrating in. More than heat, light degrade the herbal material, so go for a dark glass jar for storing. If you need the decoction in excess, then you can go for 3 doses. In this instance, 750 ml around 3 cups will be enough to give a reasonable amount of drink. You can follow this for any kind of herbal drink. Make sure to triple the quantity of ingredients. You won't get the 750 ml back out again after those boiling and simmering, but you will get enough for 3 doses around 600 ml. So you can have a dose in the morning in the first day after you made it, then you have a dose on the second day, then a dose on the third day. After that it is going to start fermenting a little bit, so little watch out for that. After taking it out of refrigerator, gently warm it up before having it. So this is the kind of thing you could do twice or thrice a week for yourself, particularly coming out to the winter months. This is a good thing to do to help open your airways and ease breathing. It is really about not letting things build up. It's like a kind of self-maintenance. Now let me enjoy my drink. Making healthy changes to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Try one new thing at a time. Focus on what you can do and what works for your lifestyle. Thank you for watching.